Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to the video. So in this video, I am going to show you that how you can fix your iPhone, iPad, iPod if it is stuck at the recovery mode screen without any data loss. If you see this type of screen on your iPhone, so you are at the right place. Or if you are having any other stuck issues with your iPhone, so it will also fix all of other stuck problems from your iPhone, such as boot loops, stuck at iTunes logo, recovery mode, DFU mode, stuck at black or white screen issues and other problems. No data loss at all. Get your device back to normal without data loss. Enough talking, let's start the tutorial. Let me tell you that it is not possible to actually fix it without having a computer. So connect your iPhone to the computer now to get it fixed. Don't worry, it's absolutely free. Make sure to use original Apple Lightning cable to avoid any kind of errors while connecting the phone to the computer. Anyways, so here I have my desktop. Now simply open iTunes. If you have not iTunes in your computer, so install it first. And after connecting iPhone to the computer, you will see this pop-up on iTunes to update or restore the iPhone. So actually, if you press update button, it will first going to download a huge firmware file from the internet, and then it will start flashing your iPhone, and absolutely, then your iPhone will get back to the normal mode. But I do not recommend it because it will waste a lot of time. I have a better solution for you to get out from the recovery mode instantly in a single click, which will also fix your issue and get your iPhone back to the normal mode. Open your browser and search for TunesKit iOS System Recovery. You will also find the direct download link in the description of this video. So alright, this is the complete iOS System Recovery software to fix all kind of iPhone stuck issues. It repairs up to 50 iOS problems. You can see all of them. You can buy this software or can use free trial version also. Some of the features of this software is absolutely free. If the iPhone is stuck at recovery mode, so you can fix this issue for free using this TunesKit iOS System Recovery software. It's available in Windows and Mac both. Anyways, let's download and install it in our computer. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I have installed it, and you can see here you have two options. On the left side, you can see the exit recovery mode button to fix the iPhone if it is stuck at recovery mode, and on the right side we have start button to repair any kind of stuck issues of iPhone, iPad. You can see the full list of issues here which can be fixed using this software. So alright, if your iPhone is stuck at recovery mode, so you can easily fix it by pressing the exit recovery mode button on the left side. As you can see, my iPhone is stuck at recovery mode. Now let's press this exit recovery mode button on the software, so it will resolve this stuck at recovery mode issue instantly. So as you can see guys, my iPhone was stuck at recovery mode, and now the issue has resolved in just a click. So this is the simple trick to fix your iPhone, iPad if it is stuck at recovery mode. You can see no data loss, everything is there. So guys, if your iPhone is still stuck at recovery mode, or if you're having any kind of other issues, like sometimes iPhone stuck at iTunes logo, DFU mode, black and white screen, so to resolve these kind of issues, you need to flash your iPhone. Don't worry, it's very simple. You can see here the full list of issues which can be fixed using this software. To resolve your iPhone stuck issues, just simply press start button. And now we have two options. Select standard mode if you don't want to lose your data on your iPhone. The advanced mode will completely erase your iPhone. You can also use iTunes to fix your iPhone, but it will completely erase your iPhone. Alright, I'm gonna select the standard mode to fix my iPhone without losing data and press the next button. Now here we have some settings. Don't change these settings, just go ahead and press the download button. Now it will download an iPhone operating system firmware file. It will take few minutes to complete, depends on your internet speed. Do not disconnect your iPhone and wait till the download completes. Make sure you have a good internet speed to download it fast, and after the download completes, press the repair button to start flashing. But you have to register this software, and obviously to register it you need to buy this software. If you want to fix your iPhone for free, use iTunes for that, but iTunes will completely erase your iPhone. You will lose all of your data. So if you don't want to lose your data, buy this TunesKit iOS system recovery software and register it to start flashing your iPhone. It normally takes 5 minutes to complete the flashing process. Yes, but the downloading of firmware file takes time, depends on your internet connection. Anyways, your iPhone will reboot several times while this flashing process. If you are having any kind of errors while flashing, so change USB port or USB cable. So guys, as you can see, the flashing process has completed and my iPhone has fixed without data loss. You can see everything is there in my iPhone, no data loss. This was the method to resolve different stuck problems of iPhone, iPad without data loss and without iTunes. The TunesKit iOS system recovery tool works great.